Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Let's launch the app of Facebook. As you can see, the first thing that you want to pay attention to is the top right corner. You want to click on the wheel. This will simply launch the settings and privacy. The next step is you have to click on this rectangle which is starting with the meta title on top. You click the account centers with meta, then you have to scroll down and see that you have the option for personal details. You click on personal details and you will have all the information above. You have to click the account ownership and control. This is where you have actually availability to manage the account ownership and the future of the account. You are allowed to essentially deactivate or delete the account. Temporary deactivation of the account means that for a particular time frame, you are not going to use the account and you want to deactivate the account. This doesn't mean that you're going to delete the account permanently. While the second option, the deletion, will simply delete and erase all the data. So if you really want to delete your account, you want to make sure that you download all the files, all the content from the Facebook app itself. Subscribe and follow for more.